I'm just going to put this on screen because I ain't taking any of the trades at them. We're just not in a good enough area for me to even look. I'm taking a trade on trade of 8 accounts. I think I might just have to maybe get out of this and then just play whichever side it goes, if I can get out of it, that is. If we're going to there, I don't think we're going straight there, because that is quite a straight 117 points. I'd be very surprised without any sort of short. Very surprised. Broke the 1 hourly ATR high. We're not really doing anything here. We're doing nothing. I think it's an initial balance play. This is just, if this does come short into the flip side, then I'll get it lower, I'll grab it lower. The way it's going to be really tricky to do anything, because in 15 minutes we're going to get a new set of 1 hourly ATRs and they're going to be a higher bracket. So for that short to complete, just means it's less likely and more likely for 24,997s to complete. So what I'll probably like to do here is try and grab a long if we come down. If I get out for the $27, I think I'll look to long from VWAP, see if we can make it back to the top, which will be the new 1 hourly high and 4 hourly high touch, rather than play it through to the negative 23. That's what I'll do. That's what I plan to do anyway. Oh dear. But I'll just switch those round. So boring. So boring. Of course, there's another way to play this. Take that through to the limit sell 1 at the 4 hour high touch at 973s. Try to catch something. Oh. Well, I'd rather just get out of the position. Just don't like the way it's moving at all. I will look to take probably another short from the 4 hourly. What? $83s, and 83s should give us, if it runs straight through to negative 23, there's just nothing I can do about that. I'd be shocked. I'd be surprised if it just does that. Because then what I would need to do is take it off it. Just get 50 points from it, I think. Crazy bro if there's just shorts here. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Body. The 1 hour high reclaimed it. The 1 hour high reclaimed. Crazy. Looked like it was breaking the 1 hour high, but it reclaimed the level ATR, even though we're 10 minutes off. Insane. Not insane. I just, you know, the way it was moving, I just expected it. Look, 1 hour, reclaimed price. Thought it was breaking, quickly reclaimed. Thought it was trickling to the 4 hour. Now usually, what we're talking about here is 50 points. On average, 50 points. Where are we? We've already done 50. I'm asking it to do 83. The reason I'm asking it to do 83 is because it's a full fib 38. So it's very highly likely that it's going to do that. It's also more highly likely that it's, yeah, it's 50, that is the 15-second VWAP. Of course it is. There you go. Nothing crazy. No. So I'm obviously in on this. Yeah. If we get a pop up into 803s, I will take this short again. Let's do this.
Order filled.
Just add it on there. Still like a little bit higher to take it on here. 802s.
Order filled.
That's that. Obviously I didn't get any higher, so done. Done in 5 seconds. But whatevs. Shite. Not good. There we go. Battery ran out of the mouse. Initial balance is coming in hot, isn't it? Initial balance is coming in hot.
Order filled.
Okay, I guess we're in. Super surprised if we run all the way to our target at 46s. That's where it's going. But I can't fucking, you know, straight 60 points. Yeah, 4925, yeah. The low one would be 24, be 50s, wouldn't it? so difficult to trade it through fucking all those levels. So difficult. You've got 4 hour high, 1 hour high ATR, both to beat with such low volume in the market to run that negative 23 at 25.049s. It's rough, man. It's rough. And this is just a high. Like this doesn't necessarily have to run down to me 30s. Probably could just go down to 950s maybe at best, because it's not actually touched a 1 hour or 4 hour high ATR yet. Probability of going to me straight to me stop is just really low. 0.18, so we'll have to put in an add limit set 1 there, and then go 50 off. Yeah. Equal through high. If we hit, that is. If we hit. You know? I absolutely hate these levels where we're at the minute. The targets of standard deviation are through ATRs, which makes it tricky. Straight there would be rough as fuck. I'm not going to lie. Going straight there would just be, from there, that'd be insane. The point where I said I'd like to get in for a long. Where is that again? Double O2. False. What was I just doing then? I was doing something. Totally forgot. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a fucking tricky one, this, isn't it? It's how much short gets put in, and it should be. Yeah, it should be. Done it again, haven't I? So that is exact 1 hour high. So it should come down to there, really, just below. On average. But of course, we've also got that through height, and the end destination is. Deeper retracement, 25k attempts. Liquidity taps above.
Order filled.
Bro, I'm now like 30 points off the fucking.
Order
Fuck this,
filled.
bro. It's stupid. It's not gonna pull back, man. I'm just gonna fucking do the thing, like. Bro, you're fucking stupid, man. Initial balance again. Fighting that initial balance. Crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. It doesn't really necessarily need to violate. I can't add without a decent pullback here. we know it's going there now. So I ain't doing the whole playing the short bit. It's literally tagged the area now, so you know, average 50, so yeah, you can. I mean, look where we are. This is why it's so tricky. It's a terrible fucking trading, to be honest. But initial balance, really, really nice. Double into, so it needs to complete at 25.049s. I know it's going to complete at 25.049s, but we've got 1 hour high, 4 hour high up here. We've closed above ETH, so we are going to run above. But it's just, man, it's frustrating now. You're going to get that pop short now, like that, and it's just, yeah, and it's going to do it now. Look, so I've just flipped the script because I didn't want it to just run. Because it changed from it might go to now it is going to. And this will be my last trade because this market at the minute sucks. So I will leave it as that. I'm just going to leave this to do whatever it's doing because this is just taking forever. Yeah, whatever.
Order filled.
I'm not even talking. At this time frame, I should be respecting those levels. Instead, I'm being a fucking clown and trying to beat those levels. Those levels can reclaim though, even if it closes on my TP. That's what's frustrating me. It can hit my TP at 45s and reclaim those levels. I would like it to hit my TP and then go into a short. Like it could reclaim really, really quickly, like that. Really, really quickly could the reclaim be on. Struggling. It's struggling to fight those levels. It will not go through those levels. It will not go through those levels. So difficult. Just won't push. It's fighting them. Literally all over the 4 hour. We are literally on all over, touching around the 4 hour. All over it we are. Always play the initial balance, kids, regardless. Don't try and get the shorts even if you're in premium. Initial balance over. So that's the 1 hour, that's the 4 hour, now that's the 1 hour hit. So now we just pop and love it to reclaim. If it can reclaim for me, I don't mind the reclaim. Wow. TP is going to hit now. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Through the 4 hour, through the 1 hour that you initially got that pop off. It just needs to tag it and then it can reclaim the 1 hour, 4 hour. Just needs to tag it. Needs to tag it, then see if it reclaims quite hard. I don't know if it will. That's the 1 hourly high. Oh, well, then it fell over. Are we going to reclaim now? Pretty much a double touch.
Order filled.
We're a little bit better. Now it's taking it, look. Okay, go back. Just looking for it to reclaim the probability, usually 50 points that I get off the high in this time frame. Nothing vicious, not asking for a major massive push. Can't you build it based on all the chats we've had? So it's what you know about me. Jesus. Jesus. Well, that'd be annoying, wouldn't it? 'Cause I don't want really any regression. I just want a straight a 50-point drop, and at the minute I got a 40. They do say 40 is a safer one. They do say 40 is a safer one. Who says? What do you mean they do say when you change it? What I mean by that is, but it is putting in a bit of structure, and I'm at the negative 23 now, so I don't hate it for an ad, but I ain't adding on a day like this. It sucks. Today sucks. I'm asking for these levels to reclaim. I'm asking for a reclamation of the levels, and all I'm getting now is just a pop to continue long. It's not. It ain't doing it. Still playing around in those levels.
Order filled.
That hits the mean probable bounce of the 1 hour, 4 hourly ATR, and it's also a micro negative 23 short, as you can see. And if I play my cards right, I should be able to get myself back in the green. Levels have reclaimed, but it has to sustain going short. I don't mind that it's fucking bouncing about as such. We did get 40 points straight pop, and now we are creating structure, but I do expect it to come a little bit short. I expect it to come down to 984s, if anything. Yeah. So yeah, we can see. I just don't expect it to go back up to the top now. Doesn't mean to say it can't go for another bite of the cherry. Remember, it's not told me it's going there yet. There's signs that it's going there, but it hasn't told me it's going there yet. Not fully. But by the time it tells you fully, you're very close to it. By the time it tells me it's hit this bottom, it's bounced up again, then it's come back for another bite there. That's when it tells me. Oh, this is making shit difficult. Classic Friday fuckery, guys. Classic. Notice I've changed my contracts to 5 because I was going to add at the bottom when it got close. 08s to the round number of 25,000. Yeah, I'm not doing that now. I'm not doing that now. Why aren't you doing that now, Scott? Well, look at what price is doing. Do I expect it to chop? Yes, of course. Of course I expect it to chop.
Order filled.
The reason why I've done that, I think I'm gonna get a better entry in a minute. I'm gonna get a better entry because I do think it's giving us the right run around here. Go on, bit higher. 78 would be nice. Come on, higher. Into them levels again, bro.
Order filled.
Ah, it's not as good. It's not as good. Boy, oh boy, I hate Fridays. 30 points. It's a joke, innit? It's a joke. It is a joke. Thing is, I'm going to get new hourlies in 8 minutes, 7 minutes. 8 minutes. Yeah, I mean, I've got edge on my side. I've got edge on my side, massively. Shouldn't really go there. Just the more it messes around, man, the more, you know. These lucid accounts, I don't want to touch them, mate. Touch them with barge pole with how this is playing. It's just unreal. The popping about is just crazy. It's going to put in that 78 where I wanted it to where I wanted to add. His as well. Wow. You know what the worry is here? It's the new hourlies. How do you day trade? Right, I've got an edge. I've got time. I've got edge, gap, levels, time. So I have to take the shot, right? Still not been told that it's going there. Not for sure. Not for absolute dead sure. Not dead sure yet. 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 The percentage from here, from where I entered to where it is now, has not gone up yet. I will tell you when it increases by about 20%. No, we'll go from a 60 to a, let's say 80. So we're 80 now. If we pop back up and go back, we're like 99. There we go.
Order
I'm
filled.
I'm dead sure now. Dead sure, even though it can pop up, but I'm 100%. I'm 100%. 4 hour, 1 hour ATR, haven't come 50 points off, which is the highest probable. Also, let's set up a micro. Also, we've had an ATR up. ATR up needs fill in. We're nowhere near VWAP. So many things that are just going to close that trade off. There, done. What a shitty day, man. All over the place.